Hello guys, this boy Bink here from How to BC. Today I walk you through how to check how much RAM or memory apps or games that you use in your Windows machine. Easy step is very easy, that we can deploy in the Windows 10 or Windows 7 or Windows 11. The step is very easy. You get to shares pardon, shares field and type resource monitor. Here click on it. After you click on it, you have a CPU. See how much CPU is used. You see that's app we are using right now. You take BID or status is running or is supposed to open, and you can check the disk use by click that arrow. See, and you can check network the section CPU overview, or you can specify with CPU. You will see the CPU process and services that's running, or with the associate handles or model, or you can check the RAM, how much it uses. You see all everything, and disk and network, etc. This video for today I hope it helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.